What's the meaning of baggage claim? Baggage claim. Baggage claim.
Baggage claim. Baggage claim. Baggage claim refers to the area in an airport where passengers retrieve their luggage after a flight. After checking in their bags, travelers hand them over to the airline for transport to the destination airport. Upon arrival, the bags are unloaded from the airplane and transported to the baggage claim area where passengers can retrieve them. Baggage claim areas can be located in different parts of the airport, but they are typically near the arrivals hall or terminal exit. It's important for passengers to keep their baggage claim tags safely until they have collected their luggage, as these tags identify the bags and prevent mix-ups.